check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. RiiRoo are proud to announce our new 12-volt licensed VW Beetle ride-on car as a great addition to our ride-on range. With great attention to detail and with the blessing of VW, we were able to snag this beautiful replica of the real thing for your kids to enjoy. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The 3-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. Padded leather style seats. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.